Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are doing good. So today we are going to start working on the Blynk 2.0. Previously there was only Blynk where we can see our data on a mobile application. But currently they have updated their platform. So with the mobile application, now we can see our data on a web dashboard as well. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. So first of all, let's go to the Blynk IoT platform, and this is the new updated version of the old Blynk website. So before we have only the project options, but now this website is a very professional. So there are lots of options that you can use here, like Blynk app, cloud, agent, or Blynk 360. So before it was kind of free, but now this is subscription based. So let's go to the free version now. So we need to create an account first. So here I am giving my email address and then click on sign up. So confirm your email now. Let's check our email. There must be some mail from the Blynk IoT. So here it is, and we can create a new password for now. So with this, our Blynk profile is almost created. Now we have to create our first device and we have to add our node MCU to this one. So now let's go. So this is the platform, these are the options and you can read more. Now click on next. So we can use in the developer mode or use mode. In both, in developer mode we can actually create the devices, and in the user mode we can actually monitor the data. Now click on next. Here we can add devices to our Blynk console, where that can be any kind of sensor or any sensor node. So this is some data, then click on next. So we have to create a device template. So in our previous model there used to be home, where we used to add these widgets and then it will work, but in this case we have to create templates. So let's finish this and we will go to the next page where we are going to add a quick start device. So this is a basic device to check that the Blynk cloud is properly connected to your node MCU or whatever board you are using. So but before that you can read all this data and information, but we know about it, so let's go to the next step. So we are using ESP8266, that is node MCU, and connection type is going to be Wi-Fi. So Arduino IDE, we are going to use Arduino IDE for sure, and install the Blynk library for Arduino. So you can check in the Blynk library. If you don't have it, you can download it very easily, but we already have it. So now click on next, and here we have the code already. So we have to write our SSID and password here, and that will be automatically printed to the code. Now copy the code and paste it on the Arduino IDE, and here we have the code. Let me maximize, and here you can see in the beginning we have three options, three credentials, where we have the template ID and template name. This is quite new for this version, but in the previous version we have only one thing, that is the auth token, but here we are getting three credentials. Now choose the board as node MCU 12E module, because we are going to use that model. Now click on select the COM port and click on OK. So there we go. Now upload the code. When the uploading is done, we are good to go. When the code is uploaded successfully, you can check on the Blynk console. It is showing your device is online and time to push some buttons. Now go to device, and here on our screen we can see the web dashboard of the template. Now here you can see, for example, this is a button, then there is a switch value and the up down timer is there. So this means the device is up for 35 seconds. And similarly here is a button, that is a switch. So whenever I will click on that switch, you can see switch value is changing, that is 1, and when I am turning it off it is 0. There are lots of other options in this Blynk console. Now click on the developer zone and here you can see the quick start template, and here you can see the device is online, the auth token is right here, and the other credentials that we use in our code, that is also available right here. You can edit it, copy it, and you can use anywhere like that. So before we have to create some widgets, and according to that the devices would work. But here we have to create data streams. According to the data streams, the device will work perfectly. We will know more about it in our upcoming videos. For now this part is done. Now let's go and download the Blynk mobile application, and then we will set up the mobile dashboard. So now download and install the Blynk mobile application on your mobile. Now click on login and log in with the same email address that you have used in your web dashboard. Login, and as you can see this in this application, the quick start device template is already there. So click on that one and you can see there is already all those buttons and all are created. So as you can see, I'm clicking on value. Let me do some changes first. So see, let me change the colors. So the color of this one, let's change to something good. Okay, now this is visible perfectly. Okay, now it is perfectly visible, and you can see the device is now on for 360 seconds, and when I am clicking, the button value is on, and similarly the button value is off. So you can notice this as well. Here the uptime is 605, and at the same time on the web dashboard the value is also changing. Similarly for the button, you can see it is acting immediately, there is no delay. But in case of Arduino IoT Cloud that we have used in our previous video, so there is some amount of delay, like 1 second of delay, but here there is no delay. So this was a small introductory video about Blynk 2.0. In our upcoming videos, we are going to work on some more projects. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. And if you have any suggestions, the comment section is all yours. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.